Team, I got the perfect inexpensive gas grill for you. This is the Electactic G31 Pro propane grill. All right, so we're gonna go through the paces on this one. We got a nice couple steaks over here, some broccoli. We're gonna fire it up. And I'm gonna show you all the little features that come with it. Guys, this is one of those great little Amazon finds that you're gonna love. I have tons of grills and smokers in the backyard here, and sometimes I just need a quick cooker to do some easy grilling, and that's what this grill will do for us. So we'll start it off with a push button ignition. Y'all, I just showed you how I made a nice, quick, easy weeknight dinner. All right, got a couple New York strips on there. Just give them a little salt and pepper. You don't have to go too crazy with your seasoning on your steaks, right? Let that beef speak for itself. Get some fire under those steaks. Those cast iron grates are gonna make those nice sear marks that everybody loves to see on their steaks, right? You eat with your eyes first, right? And of course, we're getting a little healthier today. We got some broccolini going on that griddle plate. A little bit of olive oil on there. And again, we did some simple salt and pepper with that broccolini, little olive oil over the top of that. And then I like to get a nice little char going on those broccolinis, right? So you give it a nice hard sear on there. That's why you want that griddle plate as hot as possible. Mix it around, get it to where it's nice and charred. But then again, you want it still nice and crunchy, nice fresh vegetable on there. Don't cook the hell out of it. Just get a nice char, nice and crispy, healthy, vibrant green vegetables, what we want, right? Right. So now that we're done eating, even though I'm still thinking about that steak, let's talk a little bit more about the Electactic G31 Pro propane grill. And guys, if I didn't cover something that you still have questions about, throw it in the comments down below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. And if I don't know the answer, I will take it to the company and answer it for you. And also with the Amazon links down below in the video description, you can get all the specifics like the measurements and all that good stuff, reviews. Obviously, you can buy it from there too. All right, let's go ahead and get into the nuts and bolts of the Electactic G31 Pro propane grill. It has cast iron grill grates and a cast iron griddle plate in there. So you get the best of both worlds. It has a side shelf and a side burner for your sauces, your sauteing, all that good stuff. This grill has hooks for your tools, and of course it has a bottle opener. We have doors closing off the front storage. In the back, you can see that propane tank is easily stored, and we have that easy to clean out grease tray. This is a professional style grill, great for the backyard, for camping, for picnics at the park. It's on 4 casters, right? So it's easily moved around the backyard, out of storage, into your truck, whatever you need to do. It's heavy duty stainless steel, but it's also lightweight in construction, so it's very easily transported. It's got 34,000 BTUs between each burner here. I could definitely feel it right now. I have this thing fired up. We're over 600 degrees going right now. I'm feeling it back here. But this is a great little gas grill. Guys, the Amazon link's down below. And y'all know I get excited over any new grill, and this is no exception. Make sure you check it out. Tell them CJ sent you. But other than that, guys, we're done. Thank you for stopping by, and thanks for hanging out with CJ. Cheers, y'all.